long, kind, cruel, funny, serious, busy, lazy, clean, dirty, sharp, cheap, expensive, rich, poor, thin, thick, dry, early, late, near, far, angry, calm, tired, fresh, easy, tough, sad, happy, hungry, thirsty, scared, cold, hot, dark, fast, slow, small, big, tall, quiet, loud, bright, soft, hard, weak, strong, short,
achieve, analyze, consider, contribute, determine, establish, negotiate, justify, persuade, recommend, recognize, resolve, specify, support, transform, implement, facilitate, demonstrate, clarify, evaluate, incorporate, motivate, enhance, anticipate, coordinate, delegate, interpret, prioritize, reinforce, simplify.
I'm finishing this video here today. Stay on and keep learning English with us. May God bless you.